Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
Hello there. In this video, I will explain how to sell products on Blinkit. To start, you will need to visit the official Blinkit seller portal. Once there, click on the Get Started button to begin your application. You will then provide essential business details, including your business name, contact information, and the types of products you plan to sell. This initial step is crucial for setting up your presence on the platform. Next, it is vital to prepare all the required documents for verification. This typically includes your business registration certificate, your goods and services tax identification number, and your permanent account number. If you plan to sell food products, an FSI license is mandatory. Having these documents ready beforehand can significantly speed up your application process, as about 70% of applications are rejected due to incomplete submissions. Selecting the right table and managing your money are crucial. Start at tables with lower stakes to hone your skills without risking too much. A good rule of thumb is to only bet a small percentage, perhaps 1/10, of your total money on any given hand. It's also vital to know when to walk away. Don't chase losses. And remember, saving your game often can be a helpful strategy if things don't go your way. Finally, Blinkit's team will review your complete application and all your product listings. This verification process typically takes between 11 and 14 business days, ensuring everything meets their quality guidelines. Once approved, your products will officially go live on the platform, making them available to millions of customers. You can then monitor your orders and manage your inventory directly from your seller dashboard, ready to start selling.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.